I am Izmir and today I'm going to introduce you my EE102 project. It is called the Schematic Drawer. In this project I draw shapes such as circles and squares, and I connect those shapes with lines. By doing that I actually obtain diagrams, and why I did this project is exactly that. I realized throughout the semester we use lots of mind maps and diagrams and schematics, and the applications we used to obtain those images were actually demanding internet, and they were also wanting you to sign up and use your email. And actually I just wanted to ease that process. For that reason I used an FPGA board which will take inputs from you, and you will be able to draw whatever you want on the screen. And now I want to show you how it works. From the FPGA board basis tree, we took the inputs. The first three switches determine the shape, and the last switch determines the reset. So from the buttons, you can move the cursor, and the middle button says that you can just place the shape you want. On the screen you see a cursor. This cursor moves to wherever you want, and let's say if you want to draw an RTL schematic and you want to define a module, let's put a square right there. So this is our module 1, and let's create two inputs for that module. And to make this you just change the switch input, and let's say you say this is our first input and this is our second input, and we want to connect this module with signals, and we want to connect it to another module. These are our signals, and let's define another module right here. Let's put a square. So this is our second module, and let's say we want another output here, and this is our output. So this can be your RTL schematic, but if you want to draw another thing, you can just use the reset switch. Now I want to explain the reset mode. You see an image on the screen. There are two squares, one circle and two lines. When I just turn the reset mode on, everything will be initialized. So when I just push the button, you will see the same square I used before. It means you can just recycle the shapes you used. And now I want to talk about the problems I had while I was doing this project. Actually, at first there were some glitches on the screen caused by VGA. There were some vertical lines which were green and white. To solve this problem, I used a D flip-flop, I used a clock, and now I have a clear image, as you can see. And also to be able to show the shapes at the same time on the screen whenever I want, I used a specific signal and name for each shape, even though they had they were all squares or they were all circles. They had different names, so that I was able to call them whenever I want. So this is how my project works. I hope you liked it, and I want to say thank you for watching me and listening to me, and that's all. Thank you.